Hey guys, and it is Emerson and Mackenzie. We are a new channel on YouTube called Disney Play-Doh Bakery and Dolls. I hope you like this week's video, and be sure to subscribe and like, thumbs up. And I just want to say that Bertaley, Kitty's Mama, Gracie and Mommy Show, and some Super Girls inspired me to have my own YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And today we're going to be reviewing the Play-Doh Sweet Shops. As you can see, we've already got it all out the box. So, Mackenzie, can you show them what Play-Doh it came with? Just so you know, I'm Emerson, she's Mackenzie.
Okay, it comes with 2 regular Play-Dohs, purple, green, and 3 plus Play-Dohs, yellow, blue, and pink.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we're going to show you what else it came with. Do you want to show it? It came with 4 of these things, 2 greens, and 2 pinks. If you want to know what they do, those do, they attach to this, to the bottom one, and it has a square, and it has a square on this, so it can attach.
They also come with 2 pens.
Yeah, it comes with 3, but we'll show you what else it comes with. And it comes with 2 spoons, 1 pink and 1 green. This one is to scoop the Play-Doh out if it gets stuck, and there is 2 bowls, like a cylinder shape, I don't know my shapes anymore, and a circle shape, and this is what it should look like when you're done. We had to, like, cooperate with it. I don't think it would be the best to use Play-Doh Plus because we tested it yesterday, and it didn't work out with it. So you can take that, and we are going to get started. This pink thing, I don't know if we mentioned it, it goes in here, and then you just push it down with this.
This is how it works. I'm going to use the green cone.
And I'll use
under here.
And we'll use the green Play-Doh for the...
So you take all the Play-Doh out. You get that for me.
And you need to roll it really thin. Use the green. Be gentle. That's what it's for. You don't hear me?
Okay. Use all the Play-Doh. Then make sure you roll it really thin like a snake.
Maybe there is something.
And if you don't, it won't fit inside.
That makes it a wonderful
Okay.
thing.
So you stick it
Be bad.
down in there.
Look at this
and
stuff.
take the
Isn't
top
it
off
neat?
of it.
If you see how it's sticking up, just push it down and make sure it's like all in there. And then you're going to put the pink thing in there, and then you're going to smush it. Go ahead, twist it.
Have somebody twist the bottom
for you.
with your hand.
Ready?
With your hand.
Sure.
What?
She's got
That bottom
everything.
piece. Somebody's twisting.
And just so you know, you can't take this piece out because it was...
I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want
Guys, it might not turn out how you want it to. It might even fall out. So you're going to have to shape it like an ice cream.
I want to see.
You might have not did this right.
Walking around on
Little ice cream.
What do you
I did not lick it.
Oh,
And remember, fun to play with.
when your
Not to
fins
eat.
get too
Now we're going
legs
to,
are
it
required
might look like this when you get
dancing,
it out.
strolling along
So just
down
take the
a
extra Play-Doh off, and she's going to show you how to make more.
street.
Okay.
Up
You
where
take
they
any
walk,
kind of Play-Doh.
up
I'm
where
going to
they
use the
run,
blue
up
plus.
where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could
Take
be
a little bit of
part of
Play-Doh
that
out.
world. What would I give if I could live
and squish it down.
Reprimand their daughters.
And then
Right young women,
you'll peel it out.
sick of swimming.
Sorry
Ready
Back!
And that's it like that.
to know what the
Take
people
the
know.
rest of the
Ask them my
Play around it.
questions and get some
And put it back in
answers. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word?
there's your leaf.
Learn. When's it my
put it on
turn?
the thing.
Wouldn't I love
Then
love
get
to
our ice cream cone.
explore
And
the shore of
these
above?
over here and attach to this to hold it on the sides. So we're gonna put our little ice cream on here. And now we're going to make an ice cream sandwich. It is a sweet shop, so you can't only make ice cream. Let's use the yellow. We made another one. So we're going to put that on. And I'm going to use yellow Play-Doh for this back stencil. This back thing over here. That little one.
Maybe he's right.
I'm not
Maybe
sure
there
if they
is
can
something
see it.
in
That one.
I just don't see how a
Right
world
there.
would make such wonderful
For the ice cream sandwich, but it did come with an ice cream
Look at
mold.
this stuff.
So is it? Ice
Isn't
cream
it
sandwich
neat?
mold.
Wouldn't you think
Looks like a
my
Chex Mix or
collection's
something.
complete? Wouldn't you
And
think
that's what
I'm
it
the
should
girl,
look
girl
like.
who has
Like that. And you're just gonna peel it off like Mackenzie said.
treasures untold? How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think
It
Sure.
smells good.
she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
And
I've
Play-Doh
got
Plus
who's its
can
and
smell
what's
really
its
good.
galore.
Actually smells like
You want
ice cream.
thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares?
What I do is I like flatten out things. Now, do you want to make the other one? I'll make the heart for the inside.
I wanna be where the people are.
Mackenzie's gonna make the other one.
Wanna
Well,
see
I am
'em
doing
dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again?
Use this
Street,
heart
up where they walk,
mold
up
right
where they run,
there.
up where they
you
stay
can't
all
see that.
day in the sun.
And I'm going
wandering
to flatten out my Play-Doh and do
Wish I
that
could
while
be
she tears
part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I
here is
pay
your other.
to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land
I'm working on
they
it.
understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know.
What else?
Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word? Learn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above? Out of the sea. Wished I could be
That is my heart. It did turn
part
out
of that
nice.
world.
And now I'm going to put the ice cream sandwich together. What we're going to do is we're going to put the heart on the bottom, and we are going to do that. Use this bag. There. As a little star. So we're going to put this on that plate. Do you want to make a...
Maybe
Okay,
he's right.
that is
Maybe
it
there is
for
something the matter.
Wait, no. We're making one thing.
Just don't see how a world makes it wonderful.
And that is it for today.
Be back.
And comment
Look
down
at
below
this
if
stuff.
you like this video,
Wouldn't you think my
or if you
collection's
like
complete? Wouldn't you
the-
think I'm the girl?
just comment down below which is your favorite color of Play-Doh. And we're going to rate this on what do you want to rate the Play-Doh machine on?
Looking around here, you think. Sure.
What do you want to rate the Play-Doh machine on, Mackenzie?
I've got gadgets
how
and
hard
gizmos
was it?
aplenty.
I don't know.
I've got who's its and what's
What
its
age do you
galore.
recommend this for?
You want thingamabobs? I
4-year-olds.
got 20.
I think I say 4 and up because it was pretty easy. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much, YouTube, and bye.